Thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be doing something really fun and interesting. So if you've got some plantain and some potato, bring them out now because it will be very handy and useful. This particular recipe is very fun, perfect for your get-together, your picnic, or your Friday night. You really don't want to miss this, right? Before we get right into cooking or whatever we're going to be doing today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you consider it useful. Don't forget to drop your comments. I really love to see your comments. I love reading your comments so much. And if you'll be trying out this recipe, don't forget to send me feedbacks on Instagram and other social media platforms because I love to see them. Let's get right into cooking. For this particular recipe, you'll be needing 3 main ingredients, which are your protein sauce, some potato and plantain. However, you can manipulate this particular recipe. So if you don't like potato, you can make use of something like yam. If you don't like beef, you can make use of something like chicken or turkey, but ensure that you remove the bone. You want a boneless source of protein. You can also make use of sausages or hot dog. It's going to work perfectly. So if you don't like plantain and potato, you can make use of maybe yam and potato, or maybe just yam, or maybe just potato. It's as simple as that. And because I have not peeled my potato and plantain yet, and I really want to be fast with what I'm going to be doing today, the first thing I'm going to do is to proceed to fry my already boiled and seasoned meat. So I'll fry my already boiled and seasoned meat while I get into peeling the potatoes and plantain. So let's just begin.
The first step is to deep fry your meat in hot oil. Once it is as brown as this, just take that out of the oil. You want it to be as brown and dry and crispy, just like this. The thing is, if you don't like deep frying or you don't like your meat fried, you can just work with a boiled meat. It is just fine. That works too.
Leg dey pain me. I will be sitting down to peel the potatoes and the plantain. You can use your potato peeler or a knife to peel your potatoes, but I'm more comfortable with a knife, so I'll be using a knife to peel my potatoes.
Now I'll be marinating my sweet potatoes with some salt, and I'll be giving that a good hand rub before I proceed to add it into my hot oil. I'll be deep frying it till it is as golden brown as it is in the video. I will just make sure I stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt at one side and looks clean at the other side. You want it to be evenly fried, so just stir at intervals. When it is as golden brown or it looks this good, just scoop that out of the oil. Now for my plantain, I'll be marinating it with some salt and give that a good hand rub for it to combine to each other, and I'll also be deep frying that till it is as golden brown as it shows in the video. So I'll also stir at intervals so that a part doesn't get burnt and the other side looks fresh. I want it to be evenly fried just like this, and once it is as golden brown as this, I'm just going to scoop that out of the oil.
And now that we've fried all that we need to fry, let's proceed into the next step. The first thing we'll be doing is sauteing our onions. So I'll be making use of the leftover vegetable oil we use when frying our potatoes, plantain and meat. So I'll just be scooping some into my frying pan. Oh, she's hot. Into my vegetable oil, I'm going in with the onions. I'll go in with some rosemary. I'll go in with some thyme. I'll go in with some ginger garlic powder. Now just give that a good stir to combine. The reason why we go through this process of sauteing the onions and other spices is so that the spices and the onions can marry each other into the oil and infuse into the oil. It makes a stronger base for your sauce. So when you saute your onions, you saute your rosemary, the thyme and your ginger garlic powder in oil with your onions. That way the flavor and everything just make a perfect match in the oil, and it infuses into the oil before we proceed to add any other thing. And I'm going to be adding my pepper mix into this right now.
Now I'll be going in with my roughly blended pepper mix, and I'll allow it to fry till all the sour taste is eradicated from it. So you just need a little bit of patience to allow it to fry very well. And now I'll be seasoning with salt and seasoning cube. You can do this to taste because it's a very little amount of pepper. So I'll just be making use of one seasoning cube and a pinch of salt. I will stir to combine properly while it continues to fry. Now is the best time to go in with your properly fried beef. I will just give that a very good stir till all the pepper is penetrated into the beef and every of the beef has a touch of pepper in it. Then I will just scoop that out of the pepper sauce. Once I have scoped that out of the pepper sauce, the leftover pepper sauce, I will go in with the fried plantain. Ensure that all the plantain has a touch of pepper in it and it is coated with the pepper, and I will just gently scoop it out of the pepper sauce. Into the leftover pepper sauce, I will also go in with my sweet potatoes. I will give that a very good combination with the leftover pepper sauce that is remaining in the pot. I will ensure that every of the potato has a touch of pepper in it and it is coated with some pepper, and I will just take that out just like this. Now you need a kebab stick. This long toothpick, they sell it in the local market or in your store or grocery store around you. It is called kebab stick. That is what we'll be using for the arrangement of all this right now. So we'll be inserting the potatoes and the plantain and the beef into the kebab stick just like the way I'm doing in this video now, one at a time, anyhow you like it. You don't necessarily have to follow a particular pattern, but I am doing potato first, then some plantain and beef, then going with potato again. But really you don't really have to follow a particular pattern to do this. Just do this the way it suits you, and at the end of the day it is just to enjoy your meal and just do something really fun with the three basic ingredients we have. I'll repeat the process till all the kebab stick is eradicated and all my potato and plantain is used up, and this is what we have. Look at how beautiful this looks. It looks beautiful, it tastes great, it is giving picnic vibe. Your friends and family will love it. It's even giving starter vibe, like it will serve as a perfect starter in parties or family gathering.
What I love most about this dish was how we use simple materials and ingredients we can find at home to make something very, very fun and interesting. Very delicious, spicy. The plantain was sweet, the potatoes was sweet because I used sweet potatoes, and the meat was soft and it was properly fried. I really, really love this, and it is perfect for get together, it is perfect for family gathering, it is perfect for picnics, it is perfect for hangouts, and it's even perfect for lunch boxes. So you really want to try this, my friends, and if you consider this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join my friend community. I really, really love to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.